putting the parameters together. Here we are again. Look at this. I'm going to show you something kidcraft doesn't actually implicate inverted fluid. They actually have you put in little tiny small screws here. I'll show you what to put in. Show you what I took out. And I put two in. Two of them big ones every time. So that's what you get. I'll be doing the other corner here in a second. I'll show you that. As you see them on the other side. So to be taken out, I'll show you what I mean. This is what we get when we buy these kits. Now I already put the first one in. I couldn't hold it and do the phone and everything, bringing out the height, the right proper distance, and be on the phone. But I'm about to pre-drill another one. Because that's what I do. And now we would take this 3.5 inch screw. Put it right in. Look at that. Let's see how good I did left-handed. Because I'm not left-handed, not even a little bit. All I gotta do is put it a little bit tighter. But I don't want to sink it so bad that it's collecting water. I want a little hit. There we go. Look at this. That's 2 3.5 inch screws. So on and so forth. Repeat the process. Do you like what you see? Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, this is what it's looking like as of now. And we're gonna jack up that right side. We still got 20 some pages to go. Just saying. I don't know if people understand how intense it is to try to get all this correct. Let me tell you. Just pre-drilled this right here. And we're putting this in there. Guess what? I'm using these. Look at this. Hello. Yeah, I think. You know what they're calling for? They're calling for S2. Look at this. S2 to hold this counter on. Look at this. Don't you see this? Look at this. There's the counter on the page. Look at this. I ain't kidding. There's the counter. We're building this counter for the inside there. They want us to use S2. I think it's a little smarter to use that because they're actually only calling for one screw right there. Give me your thoughts. Would you want your kid to play on it with S2 screws? I don't know. Just my opinion. Please let me know your thoughts. I still got a lot to build. I got a lot of pre-drilling to do, I think. This will last forever. Okay, right here is where we're gonna put that 3.5-inch screw. I already pre-drilled this. I don't know. You tell me. I think. Look. Absolutely. Look at that board ball. Yeah. Look at this. Building this freaking ladder. So there's one of the anchors with a 3.5-inch one of these. And that right there's 2 feet of ground. How you doing? And then I'm gonna tag my 3.5-inch screw into that corner that way. Oh. Buddy, this is a walk around. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. Hi. Beautiful house you have there. Nice house. I love it. Look at this, everybody. There's your side jungle gym, your side monkey bars. Please like, share, subscribe if you like what you see. That's a little project, let me tell you. Thanks. God bless.